Today, we're learning English with a story about a trip to the grocery store. We'll learn words and phrases for shopping. Today, Anna goes to the grocery store. She needs to buy food for the week. Anna has a shopping list. She needs apples, bread, milk, and eggs. First, Anna picks apples. She checks them to make sure they are fresh. Next, Anna goes to the dairy section. She finds milk and eggs. Anna goes to the checkout. She pays for her items. That's Anna's trip to the grocery store. Now you know useful English words for shopping. Try using them in your own sentences. What do you buy at the grocery store? Write it in the comments.